Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to show you how to cook with the Dutch oven. So now I'm going to show you the ingredients. Iron Dutch oven in oil so that nothing sticks. We have some milk, we have ham, shredded cheese. I use cheddar, you can use whatever kind you like. We have garlic. We're going to flavor it with some yellow mustard powder, cracked black pepper, sea salt, and some cayenne red pepper. We have butter, a little bit of flour to make a roux, breadcrumbs, and potatoes.